Hello and welcome everyone, this is your friend Himal. Today I'm going to show you how to install Parrot OS version 3.11 in your PC without any errors. Okay, let's come in our business, and today I'm going to show you how to install it by using a bootable USB drive. I'm not showing by using CD or something like that, so be sure about it. And first of all, if you like my videos, then you can just go for here and you can subscribe my channel like this. It's quite simple, so you can subscribe me right now. And let's leave this in common our business. First of all, to install your Parrot OS in your PC by using a bootable USB drive, you need one pen drive and one software which is used to make your pen drive bootable USB drive, and after that one ISO file of Parrot OS. Okay, these three are the main thing at first. So let's start with Parrot OS ISO file. To download the ISO file of Parrot OS, you have to go to the official site of Parrot OS like this. You can find here. I'll give this link on the description, so no need to worry about it. You can find your 62-bit version and you can find a 32-bit version. It is a made interface, so you can easily download it. Okay, like this you can go here and you can download. Otherwise you can get the torrent link also here. So it is quite simple to download this one. I'll give this link on the description, so no need to worry about it. After downloading this, you have to download one universal USB installer. You have to download this. I'll give this link on the description. It is just 1.7 MB, 1.70 MB. You can easily download it. It is so light, so you can download easily. After downloading both of these, you have to go to the file. But at first, let me little bit describe about this. Parrot OS. Okay, what is Parrot OS? Let me describe it a little bit about it. Okay, Parrot OS is a GNU Linux distribution designed with cloud penetration testing and IoT security in mind. Okay, it includes the full packages, laboratory packages for security, and it is mostly used by the hackers and educational students who are learning penetration testing. So it is quite as simple as Kali Linux, but it's provide more tools than compared to Kali Linux. And the bugs quite less in this Parrot OS are quite less than compared to Kali Linux. So it is a best alternative for car users. You can use this one very simply, and it provides a different platform to download the software, so like as you call Python, and all of those are pre-installed in it. So let's leave it right now, and let's go to the folder where we have kept Parrot OS and the universal USB installer. So let's go there. Okay, right here I can find my universal USB installer, and I have kept here my Parrot OS also. Okay, right here it is as a file. So let's go here and double click on it. Go for yes, and after that go for I agree, and after that choose your operating system. We are choosing Parrot OS right here, so let's just scroll down a little bit. Okay, I can find here Parrot OS, and after that browse your as a file where you have kept. You can browse it very easily, and after that choose your pen drive as you call, whatever you choose here. Okay, and after that go for format it, because some errors may occur if you do not format, and make sure that you don't have any critical data on it. After formatting, your all data will be erased and only Parrot OS will be there. So make sure about it and fast. Okay, after that go for create, and that disk will be formatted. Pen drive will be formatted, and you can easily install it. And make sure that you have a pen drive which is more than which have more space, more than 4 GB. It needs 3.7 GB, so make sure that it has more than 4 GB. It will be quite better, and so after creating it, and you have to wait for 20 minutes to successfully create a bootable USB drive of Parrot OS. So make sure about it. And after that, after this process is completed, just go to the space and go for manage. Okay, and this window will be up on here when you go to the manage, and after that you can find your option called disk management. Okay, if you have allocated space, then you can create a new partition to install in it, or otherwise you can just leave whatever it is. I'm going to install in this, so I'm not doing anything right now. If you want, then you can delete and create a partition. Otherwise you don't need to create anything, because we can create a partition while installing, so we would not get any problem if you do not create a partition right now. So I don't care about it, so I'm not creating by anything right here. If you want, then you can create that sort of, if you want, then you can create. There is no any problem. So I'm going to close this right now, and let me tell you, if you like my videos till now, then you can subscribe now, and let's come in our business. And now I'm going to restart my PC, so you can also restart your PC right here right now. After restarting your PC, you turn your boot setup key, just like that. Okay, and after that choose your bootable USB drive, just like that. Okay, here it is, and wait for some minutes until it is loaded here. And like this, you can see a lot of options here. You can enter the live mode and see how these Parrot security apps look like. And if you want to install, then you can install by going this install option. Okay, I'm not going for live mode because it may take a little bit time, so I'm going for install anyway. Okay, let me install it. I turn on it. Okay, you can see three options. Alright, start installation, install with GTK GUI. So we should choose install with GTK GUI, this third option, because it's quite beneficial and we can easily install because it is in graphical order. Okay, I'm in graphical mode, so let's start it. Okay, it may take a little bit time, so you should have patience until that. So let's wait, and until that you can subscribe my channel if you like it then. Okay, after that you can see this window right here. Okay, choose your language. In my case it is Nepali, but I'm not choosing it because installation can be difficult. So let's choose English default first, so let's go for that. Okay, and choose your region or whatever it is. I'm leaving it as default. Okay, let's continue. And after that choose your keyboard layout. Okay, I'm going to choose this. Okay, just if you found this error, then you should have to do one thing. Okay, otherwise we can't continue to install it. So to fix this error, you have to take it out your bootable USB drive. Okay, you should take it out your bootable USB drive for 3 to 4 seconds and install it again. And after that hit enter. Okay, I'm also going to do same like that. So let's take it out our bootable USB drive. So let's take it out. Okay, just like that I've just told, take it out and hold for 3-4 seconds and insert it and hit enter. Okay, now installation continues. If you do not do that, then your installation will be failed right here right now. So you have to do that. It is quite compulsory. Okay, if you face that error again. So let's wait for some minutes until it loads some partitions and passwords and other settings. Okay, let's wait for some minutes. Okay, now we are going to put a password. So let's put a password right here. Pick something unclear which you should remember. Okay, try to put some unclear so that other can't have access to it. So let's put it anyway. For now I'm just going for a short password right here. Okay, and after that let's go for continue. Okay, let's put a full name here. Right here I'm going to put this full name, just like that. Okay, and you can choose that password, just you have choose that before. Okay, because it is quite easy to remember, so I'm going to use for same password. It is required during a login, so you have to remember these passwords. Okay, let's go for continue. Okay, let's choose our region and a clock right here. Let's choose. Now coming for detect Dix. Okay, it may take some minutes, so until I should have patience right here. Okay, we are going for dual boot, so we should choose this manual. Okay, if you choose this whole, then you can only install one operating system, and that is Linux. If you choose this one, Interdix, then that is same. So let's choose manual so that we can jailbird along with Windows 10. So let's go for continue, and after that choose the partition where we are going to install it. So I'm going to choose this because I'm going to install in this partition, just I've told before. Okay, just I've told before that you can create a partition from Windows, just I have shown you in the previous period. So otherwise you can directly choose right here the partition where we are gonna install it. So let's have a quick change in this partition. Okay, let's change, go for continue, and what you have to do, just go for delete partition. Okay, where you are gonna install Linux. Make sure that you are not going to delete the partition where you have installed the video. In my case, it is the partition where I have installed the video, and this is the free space just I have just created right here right now. So make sure that because you can have here, if you choose the partition where you have kept the window. Okay, let's create a separate partition for it. So let's go for continue, create a new partition, and let me go for whole space, and let's go for logical. However, let's create a logical partition. Okay, right here it is totally created right now. So you should only keep the mount point this forward slash backward slash so that it can be a partition where we are going to install the our Linux. So now choose this, now setting up the partitions, and let's go for continue. And after that you can see this right here sign, it denotes that we are going to install our Linux in this partition. So let's go for finish partitioning and right change to Linux. So let's go for continue. Okay, it says whatever about the swap area. You can create a swap area of some CVs, but it is not quite compulsory to create a swap area. So for now, let's not do it because it may take a little bit time, and whatever it takes so much space also. So it is quite not needed to create a swap area. So let's go for no and go for continue, and clear as it is going to delete the partition which we have choose just before by keeping the mount point backslash. Okay, let's go for continue. Okay, after formatting, it will try to install the GTK GUI. So let's go for the successful installation, and let's wait for some minutes because it may take 15 to 20 minutes. So let's wait for some minutes. Okay, let's wait. Okay, after 10 to 15 minutes, you can see this option here. Install a group bootloader to a master bootloader. Okay, you can see this option, but you can choose anyone. If you choose no, then Windows will be a master bootloader, or if you choose yes, then Linux will be that master bootloader. Okay, if you want to choose this option, I prefer to choose you as because it's quite safe to choose as. You can choose now and keep it Windows as a master bootloader, but I prefer US. So for now I'm going to choose as. So let me choose as for now. Okay, and just let us choose our this one, our hard disk, whatever it is called. Okay, this is my hard disk, WD5000. Yeah, let me choose this. Be sure you won't choose any pen drives, otherwise it will make a lot of problems. So make sure that you have your hard disk in your PC. So let's take the select on a hard disk. So let's go for continue. Okay, after it is configured, our Parrot security OS will be automatically installed. So let's go for continue and restart your. It will automatically restart your PC, and you can see a lot of changes there. So thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel if you like my videos. I've just told you previously. So for now, today only this much. If you subscribe my channel, then I get a lot of courage to make such videos again. And so today only this much. Have a nice day. Nepal.